Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can design and order your business cards with eXp Realty. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to log into your Okta, okay, and you want to look for this tile, Build Assign Canada. Okay, if you're from US or any other country, it probably says your country name, but here we're gonna click on build Assign. Okay, once you're in there, since I'm from Ontario, I'm gonna click on Ontario. All right, scroll down, and here are my options. You can also order folders, okay, presentation folders. But here are my options for business cards, different templates. Now you can also have your custom design uploaded here. So what you want to scroll down, and here, see, upload your design, right? You can do that here. But for now, I will choose this template right here. Now, if you're a new agent or new to eXp Realty, you get some discounts. About 1,000 cards you can order for free. Okay. Now, if you want to order it, if you want to keep it free, what you want to do here, if I show you, you want to keep classic business cards, okay, and premium 16 PT. This is free for new agents, right? As soon as I start changing, let's go premium paper, and then look, my price changes 80. Okay, I go specialty cards is 210. Now this price is based on 1,000 cards. Okay, right here. So and then you got some paper options, rounded corners. All right, very thick 32 PT. All right. For today, for this purpose, we're gonna stick with classic business cards, and we're gonna keep it premium 16 PT, so it's free. All right. Now let's say you want to order premium paper or specialty cards. When you're about to check out, it will still give you a credit. Whatever money you're gonna save with the cheaper cards, it will still give you that credit on most expensive cards. So, you know. All right. So we will stick with 16 PT, and then we have choice matte and glossy. You know, it's glossy here. We'll pick glossy, and we'll continue. Once it gets loaded, your template gets loaded. All right. First thing, what I will do, I will bring, by clicking on this image, all right, icon, I will upload my image. All right, so I have my picture. Okay, showed up here. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna just press delete, because what I wanna do, I wanna select, hold it, and then drag it onto this drop zone. Okay, this is drop zone. As I bring it, see, kind of gets dark. Okay, this way it will just go in there like that. Now let's say I want to zoom in a little bit. All right, so I will select it, and then these more tools will pop up. I'm gonna choose crop. I will crop it here. Okay, something like this, let's say. Click apply, and there we go. Okay, you do not want to do this here. Okay, well, you can, I don't recommend it, because now you're making the drop zone bigger and smaller, and if you choose to bring in a different picture, it's going to look different. So I recommend you do not do that. And also you want to make sure everything important is within these this dotted line, right? It's a safety line, bleed line. Or bleed line means whatever is in here, it will get cut off. Okay, so you want to keep everything in safety line, within safety line, and you're good to go. Okay, so now to change the text, we're just gonna double click. All right, and then I will type in my name. Come on, baby, sing. All right, title, salesperson. You can do undo on a Mac by pressing Command Z. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna try to enter a number here and I don't like it. By holding Command Z, yeah, it's undoing it. Okay, so you enter your info here and you change all these, right? Enter all your information. Now let's say you want to add a text. Okay, so what do? If you go to text icon here, right? You press it and here all your text. You can delete or add. Okay, so I'll show you. So let's say for eXp Realty.ca, okay, which is right here. I can just click here and it's gone. Okay, let's press Command Z. It's back now. Maybe I don't want this icon here. Just select it, press delete, and it's gone. You got some more room. All right. So I will press add text. There we go. It's right here. Added. Now with this icon, you can rotate your text if you want to. Right. I'm just gonna click somewhere else outside of the box. So it's unselected. Bring my cursor back, right? And I'm not gonna click anything. I'm gonna click and hold so I can drag this if I need to take it somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna bring it right here. Click outside, bring my cursor on top of the text, and you see this border or these lines comes around, right? Just hold, click and hold, okay? And now you can drag. Now, if accidentally, let's say I put on something, another text, and this explanation mark comes, and if I take my mouse on it, it shows it's overlapping another text. Okay, so I want to move it properly. So again, I'm gonna click and move, and you can, and these are guidelines, they snap on, they kind of help you to line everything properly. So here we go, I'll put it there, and I'll double click and write whatever I want to. Okay, hello.com or something. All right, and other things we have here, this icon, colors. This is for your background color, okay? Anything here, you click on. Let's say I click on this color. It changes my background. I will undo that. Let's say I want to change color of my text, my name, for example. I'll select my name on toolbar here, font color, right? I'll go on the black. There we go, and it's changed. Other option, clip art. Okay, you can click on browse clip art, and you have all these options. Maybe you wanna put an arrow, a hand, or whatever. Some emojis and faces. So you can browse this and see if you like something. Under fancy lettering, so let's say if I want to use this fancy K. There you go. I'll just select and drag it, make it smaller. I'll zoom in. Whatever. Under shapes, you got some of your shapes. We'll click and drag, put it here. All right. And now you want this behind everything, right? Obviously. So when it's selected, go to layering, send it to back. Okay. There we go. All right. Adjust it, and obviously you can change the color, right? Fill color and whatever you like. Okay, I'm just gonna undo it. Okay, so that's the front of the card, and now we'll go to the back and we'll add the back of the card. So you do that by selecting it here, click on it, and now this is your back. If you want it like this, already what it is, you're done, right? But let's say you want to add some info. So all you do, again, we're gonna go click on text, and we're gonna go add text. Now because the back is activated from here, it's gonna put the text here, back side. Let's say a website, hello.com. All right. Again, I'm gonna click outside to make sure it's nothing is selected. When I bring my cursor over, I'm gonna click and hold, put it somewhere. All right. I'll change the color accordingly, and we're good. So you can add a many text you like. Okay. Maybe you want to have your contact info, right? Whatever you have here, you want to have here. So you can do all that. Now let's say you're done now. You have all your design, your info and everything is ready to go. So what you're gonna do, you wanna click on save and continue. Now here we can click on view proof. It'll show you how the card gonna look like. Right, we're good. Now if you look here, please note, right? To ensure branding and local compliance requirements are all met, please email a design proof to cdnmarketing@exprealty.net and your state broker prior to placing your order into production. Make sure you send your design to this email before you place an order, all right? Unless you're coming back and ordering it again, then obviously you don't need to send it for compliance requirement because you already done that. But if this is first time or you're changing your design, make sure you email to cdnmarketing@exprealty.net, and once they say all good and everything is good to go, right, come back and place your order. So if we look here, right, 1,000 cards it's gonna cost $39. You got discount of $39 and your total is $0. All right, you click on continue and place your order. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more content like this that will help you in your real estate business. Have yourself a good day. Thank you.